Hi there, this is NikitaNet, and on the bench today is a little version of an earlier, well, first aid kit we reviewed on the channel. So let's take a quick look and let's get started. So the first thing is to unwrap it right out of the, well, packaging, of course, which will take a little bit of effort, apparently, because it is well wrapped. So keep it in this wonderful little plastic until you need it, and you know it's a bit better protected than just in this bag. So it's a Sensiplast first aid kit, 38 pieces by Kalff, I would say, and it's intended for, well, hiking, bicycling and camping. It has a nice little sticker which states it's good until the 9th month of 2021, or at least the best buy date for some of the contents, and it opens up like this, which I think is very handy. Right, and yes, we're seeing once again one of these little wrap things as we've seen in a previous video of the bigger version of this kit. So I've taken the entire contents out of the small little bag, and one little note. It has Velcro straps, so you can attach it to a bag or your belt or something alike and carry it with you. That's of course the intent of these smaller sets that are not intended to be kept in a car. But it's a very small set, I have to say. There are a couple of gloves here, bobby pins as I would call them, a very small little, well, pair of scissors, some hydrogel, well, plasters. Is that all? Yes. A couple of these plasters, the normal ones, right? And I do have to say, it's nice that they're transparent on the back so you can see what you're looking to get out of the package, of course. A bit of a larger plaster with a central, well, wound area, I would say. One of these, well, I would say gauzes that wraps around stuff so you can roll it out. Another gauze, or at least two of the 10 by 10 size. Some cleaning cloths, most likely with some type of disinfectant. Two other gauzes, a bit of tape and some instructions. And to be quite frank, of course, it's a very small bag, right? This is the size of my hand. But I do think they're skimping out a little bit because, well, for a couple of cuts, yes. But more than a skin cut, I wouldn't be comfortable treating with this set. And I would rather carry in my bag the car version of this, well, first aid kit. You can buy this purely for the packaging and add stuff you're interested in carrying, which is applicable to your situation, of course, and you need to carry it with you, and then it's a nice basic thing. However, I'm once again more comfortable with carrying the bigger kit, although it is bigger, just as it is, right? So here's a little, well, view of what's inside. We've gone over that. And apparently there are some multicolored kids band-aids in here as well, and some long strips and specialty. I think they're in here, right? It is what it is. So, this is NikitaNet saying I hope you found this video interesting. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.